Hello everyone, so this is subject GFT0006 Technology in Language Learning. We are group 14, and we are coming our web quest presentation. Our web quest presentation is called The Origin of Nasi Lemak. We are from group 14, this is our group members name. So first group Nurizati, binti Muhammad Shukri, Nuralia, Najwin, Shafi, Nazrat bin Shaharuddin, and lastly my name Suresh Sivalingam. Okay, next we are looking at the introduction. So this web quest focuses on improving students' speaking skills through a technology-based task centered on Malaysia's iconic dish that is Nasi Lemak. Students will create short video presentations describing Nasi Lemak, its ingredients, preparations, and their personal connections to the dish. The task is designed to promote the fluency, vocabulary development, and cultural expressions through a fun and engaging food-related topic. Okay, next we are looking at the tasks. So there are three types of tasks. So first task is group roles. Each group members will take a specific role, like a researcher, writer, presenter, or culture expert, to gather the information about the Nasi Lemak. The second one is final task. The group members are work together to create a technology-based project, like a video, slideshow, Padlet, or Quizlet that introduces the Nasi Lemak using the English skills. The third one is a presentation and feedback. They present your final product to the class and give your constructive feedback on your classmates' work. Next, we are looking at the overview of that food that we are choosing, that is Nasi Lemak. So Nasi Lemak is Malaysia's most iconic and beloved dish, often enjoyed for breakfast but loved at any time of day. It consists of fragrant rice cooked in coconut milk, served with a spicy sambal, fried and chops, boiled egg, peanuts, and cucumber slices. So some versions includes extras like fried chicken or rendang. So more than just food, Nasi Lemak is a symbol of Malaysian culture and unity, loved by all races and served everywhere. So from our roadside stalls to luxury hotels. So it's a rich taste and unique combination of flavors represent the diversity and warmth of Malaysian society.
Process 1, we will discover the dish, which is Nasi Lemak. In this web quest, you are going to explore the famous Malaysian Nasi Lemak and complete a language task by using the technology such as Canva and so on. We will work in groups to focus on different aspects of Nasi Lemak, such as its history, recipe, cultural significance, and how to describe and talk about food in English. Process 1, we will discover the dish, which is Nasi Lemak. In this web quest, you are going to explore the famous Malaysian Nasi Lemak and complete a language task by using the technology such as Canva and so on. We will work in groups to focus on different aspects of Nasi Lemak, such as its history, recipe, cultural significance, and how to describe and talk about food in English.
For process 3, after student make a research, student need to combine the research and create a final task, where each group member explains a part of Nasi Lemak. The final product might be a Canva, a Padlet wall, or a Quizlet set. And make sure students' final product uses the English language skill, includes relevant vocabulary and group pronunciation or grammar, is visually interesting and easy to understand. And lastly, students need to do a presentation and feedback, present the final product to the class or upload it to your class platform like Google Classroom, Padlet. Students also must watch or read the presentations of other groups and give positive and constructive feedback about the content, language, and design.
So let's move on to the next part, which is the evaluation part. First of all, we found the group work was easy since in our group we shared ideas and we also divided the tasks equally and worked together to finish everything within the given deadline. Secondly, what we learned about Nasi Lemak, we found out that Nasi Lemak is a Malaysian dish that is usually eaten for breakfast and it reflects the culture and food heritage of Malaysia. It's more than just food, it is a symbol of our identity. After that, we learn about writing a recipe in English, is that we have to be clear, use sequence word like first and then, and also include descriptive words so that the recipe will be engaging to read. Moving on, our English improved while doing this project because we learned about new food and cooking terms, and we were able to describe and instruct more accurately. What we learned from doing research on the internet is that we must always check if the website is reliable, and we discovered that videos and food blogs are useful in learning how to practice traditional dishes. And for the conclusion, throughout this project, my team learned a lot about nasi lemak. We learned how nasi lemak was cooked, what nasi lemak was made of, and why it is very important in Malaysian culture. We also learned how people eat nasi lemak, like with sambal, fried anchovies, and boiled eggs. Using the word in English helped us develop our writing skill. We used to write proper steps and words like first, next, and finally. We also tried using more interesting words to explain the food so that the reader will be able to imagine how tasty it is. Group work was excellent. We divided the work equally and helped each other. Overall, we enjoyed doing this project because we learned something new about food and culture. That's all from us. Thank you.